This is the velcro applicator. There's one towards the rear and then one towards the front. So it's applying two different strips of the hook material to the bag. So we've got the film coming up through here. It's being held down to this peak insulated block here. And go ahead, Daniel, and go ahead and cycle it. So we're going to index. We have the velcro strip here. Let me see how that indexes over. And we're sealing it. And we're advancing, sealing, advancing. So this is the rewind here that we've taken up. I'll show you the bottom of this. This lower section is a two-stage, so we punch and then we seal. It's like we're punching and sealing at the same time. So there's a Velcro applied to the film. It goes down through the registration sensor, up over the roller, and then down onto the bag. We're actually filling here, so I can capture that for you. The bag. Okay, that's good, Daniel.